Okay. So, sorry, I had the camera now. This on Amazon. I hate opening things with one hand. Come on. Should have done this before. It is Pokemon Black 2 and the receipt which you're not allowed to see. My arch nemesis, Cellophane. Evil, horrible, evil stuff. Go away. What's in this apart from a game? Nintendo stuff. Difficulty. Some other rubbish. General instructions. Wi-Fi, which is useless. What's this? Dream Radar. Only on 3DS. Okay, you tell me nothing. There's said so much crap in all these boxes. It's unbelievable. And evil thing. I need that. Might show you the opening later. When we get started. I kinda just made this video to prove, well, I'm still alive and making videos. I just don't have a camera really that works, so I'd like to bye.